This is a Red Fire Black Opal from Lightning Ridge, Australia. It is primarily red fire, which is the most valuable color for any opal in the world. The color play on this is extremely amazing. Looks like a multicolored fireworks display outside in the bright sunlight. The size of this opal is 23 carats, which makes it one of the largest ever produced in the world. I will never get rid of this opal. It is truly amazing. When I walk outside, all eyes are on it. I've owned this for many years and will most likely never sell it, as it is the most amazing thing I've ever seen in my life. They have gotten extremely expensive lately, topping $70,000 to $400,000. But once again, I will never ever sell this. It is truly an amazing stone in every way.